how to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator. So if you want to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. Now, after opening your Facebook, make sure that you've logged into your account. After that, go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. Now, in my case, as you can see that I already have a digital creator account, or I already have a dashboard right here. So if you also want a professional dashboard, or if you want to have a digital creator account, then you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots. And then here you will find an option of turn on professional mode. So let me just turn off my professional mode, and I'll show you how to turn it on back again. Now, if I refresh my page, as you can see that I don't have a professional mode right now. So if you want to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator, you need to go with the three dots again, which will be in the top, and then you'll have an option of turn on professional mode. You need to tap on it and follow with the process and then turn on your professional mode. But once you turn off your professional mode, you won't have that option for 24 hours. So come back after 24 hours to turn it back on. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.